welcome to another vlog. So for this episode, I'm going to unbox my new Hermes product. Hey guys, so eto na siya. This is actually the product. Ayan. This is my Hermes Izmir sandal in an orange poppy and grease broom color. So the sandal is in Epsom calfskin with iconic H cut out, an iconic Hermes style. This silhouette is an essential piece in every wardrobe. So of course this is made in Italy. Initially I had it in a lower or a smaller size. That's why I have to resend it to exchange for a bigger size that's better fits me. So it looks nicer on me, and pardon my toes. I haven't had my pedicure recently, but I love it. It's very comfy. I hope you like this video. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.